This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, Rajesh. Hello.
Yeah, Niranjan, I can hear you.
Okay. So the next one is the data connection properties. See, in the data connection properties, so you know, right? So the data connection, where exactly we will identify the data connection, Rajesh? See here, this is the data connection, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have to do some steps. So the first point is how to edit the data connection. Okay. Second point is how to rename the data connection. Third point is how to close the data connection. Fourth point is how to duplicate the data connection. Okay. So fifth point is how to replace the live connection. Sixth point is how to convert the live connection to extract connection. Seventh point is how to replace the extract connection. Eighth point is how to convert extract connection to live connection. Ninth point is change the start date of the month. Start month of the year. Tenth point is okay. Start the day of the week. 11th point is the data connection. Okay, so the 11 steps are very, very important. Okay, so we will see one by one. Okay, so the first one is how to edit the data connection. See, if I want to edit this data connection, okay, so you have to right click on the, just click on the first option. Okay, click on the edit data connection. See here, it will navigate into the semantic layer. Here we have to do the 7 steps. Like you can able to drag and drop the required tables onto the semantic layer. You can able to change the joins, and you can able to change the connection types. You can able to apply the data source filter. You can able to add the all the unwanted fields. So everything you can able to do it in the semantic layer. So once we completed that, Okay, again come to the sheet level. So this is the way we will do it. The next one is how to rename the data connection. By default, okay, so the connection name would be table name and data connection. So other table we have drag and drop, and from the sample superstore data. So that's why it has displayed the other in the bracket sample superstore data is there. If you want to rename this one, yes, right click on that, click on the rename option. You can able to change the data connection name or the table. Okay. So this is the way we will rename the data connection. The next one is how to close the data connection. See, for example, we have only one data connection. Okay, so far we created the around 8 sheets and one dashboard and one storyboard. Okay, so now if I want to close this one, okay, what it will happen? Okay, so let me load the one more data connection. Okay, just create the one more connection. Okay, see here, there are the two connections are there, Rajesh. Okay, so now if I want to close the other table connection, what it will happen? Okay, right click on that just to close this data connection. See, it will give the warning message. So that means when you are close that other table data connection, the following will be happen. So that means what are the sheets you have created, what are the dashboards, what are the storyboards you have created on top of the other table data connection. So everything will be deleted. Okay, so that is the warning message. If you want to continue, just click on the OK. Automatically all the sheets will be deleted because there is no data source, then there is no reports, there is no dashboards, there is no storyboards. So that's why before going to close any one of the data connection, you have to check any important reports we created on top of the data connection or not. So that is very, very important. If you want to undo, just enter the Control Z. Automatically the previous information will be available. Okay, so please remember, when you are closing the data connection, the reports, dashboards, storyboards will be deleted. Okay, so that is the important part. Clear, Rajesh?
Yeah, clear.
The next one is how to duplicate the data connection. See, if you want to create new connection with the same features, with the same fields, with this, everything is same, but only name will be different. Right click on the data connection, click on the duplicate. So one more connection will be available here with the same features and everything is same. Now if you want to close the previous one, like your other table, now you can able to close it. Just right click on the close. So again it will show you the warning message. So then you have to transfer all the sheets, all the dashboards, all the storyboards to the from other table to other table copy table. How exactly we will change the connections? So right click on the new connection just to replace the data source. See, current table is the current data source is the other table. I am going to replace with the other table copy. Then click on the OK. So that means all the sheets and all the dashboards is directly connected to the other table copy. It's not directly connected to the other table connection. Now you can able to close it. Just right click on the close. Automatically the connection will be gone. We have a dashboard and we have a storyboard also. So this is the way we will replace the data connection. The next one is how to refresh the live connection. See here, For example, let me load one data file here. See, in my data file, I have a name and sales. Only two fields are available, and there are the 6 names are there in the data. Okay, so let me show you the data also. See, okay, so there are the two fields are there, name and sales. Same data I'm going to load into the tab. Just create the report. Okay, so there is the name wise sales informations are available. But after 2 days, like daily, customers are doing the transactions, right? So far this is the history data, and tomorrow customer will do the transaction. Day after tomorrow, customer will do the transactions. So that means data will be appended, right? Okay, so let me add the some data. Like for example, Rajesh. Okay, so I have added the one name. Okay, so there are the two names are I have added. Two names I have added, and let me save this one. Okay, but the same data is not available in Tableau, but we need to display the updated data. So how exactly we will display the updated data? We have to refresh this connection. See, right click on the data connection. Okay, so it is a live connection, so that's why we have to refresh the live connection refresh. If it is the extract connection, we have to do the extract refresh connection. So you can able to understand by seeing the symbol also. See, there is the double cylinder, so it is representing the extract connection. If it is a single cylinder, that means it is a live connection. By seeing the cylinder symbol also, you can able to understand which one is the live and which one is the extract connection. Rajesh, clear?
Clear.
Okay, so right click on the data connection, click on the second option like a refresh option. Automatically the connection will be refreshed. It will show you the updated data. Okay, so this is the way we will refresh the live connection. The second point is how to convert the live connection to extract connection. For example, this is the live connection, and if you want to convert the extract connection, we have to go to the edit data source. So here we have to change the live connection to extract connection. This is the normal procedure. So what we have done so far, but without enter into the semantic layer. Okay, from here also you can able to do it. Right click on the data connection, click on the extract data, click on the extract. Automatically you can able to save the extract file in your local machine. So then the connection will be converted from live connection to extract connection. Now again customer will do the some transaction, like he will delete the some records. Okay, so he can able to add the some records. So there are the two records we deleted and one record we have added. Same data should be available in Tableau. So how exactly we will do it? Right click on the data connection. If I click on the refresh option, it won't refresh because that is the live connection refresh option. So it is the extract connection, right? If you want to refresh the extract connection, right click on that, go to the extract option, click on the refresh here, then click on the yes. Okay, so this is the way we will see the data. Clear, Rajesh?
Yes, Narendra.
So the next one is how to convert extract connection to live connection. So in previously we have converted live connection to extract connection, but again if you want to convert extract connection to live connection, so how exactly we will do it? See, just right click on the connection, just to remove the checkbox and use extract option. Then automatically the connection will be converted and it will be directly hit the database. So this is the way we will convert a live connection to extract and extract connection to live connection. Okay, so the 4 points are very important. The next one is how to change the start month of the year. See, for example, by default for the normal year, start month is the January. For the financial year, start month is the April month for Indians. So for the Chinese, their financial year start with the June month. But for the Indians, financial year is the April month, right? So how exactly we will change the start month? You can see here. We have a other date.
So are these changing the dates and years also comes under the data connections, or?
Pardon?
So whatever the changing the years or changing the month of the year, are these stuff that what we are discussing now? Are these are the part of the data connection properties, or is something else?
No, I will show you. Okay, so it is for the changing of the month, sorry, the start month of the year. It is not the part of the data connection. Okay, so for the next point is there, right? How to change the start day of the week. So it is the part of the data connection. Okay.
Okay.
See. So I will show you how to change the start month of the year on top of the data connection also. Okay. See here, I have drag and drop the only order date field. So the order date field, month start with the January month, end with the December month. But if you want to change with the start month of the year, so you have to right click on the data field, date field, go to the default properties, click on the fiscal year start. So there are the 12 months are there. You can able to select any one of the month as a start month. Okay, then April month will be displayed as a start month. Okay, so this is the way we will change the start month of the year. Now, the next point is how to change the start day of the week. See, by default, Sunday is the start day of the week. See, Sunday is the start day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So if I want to change the any day as the start date, for example, if you are working with the Islamic countries like Saudi Arabia, Women, Qatar, okay, so their week start date is the Thursday, okay, so or a Saturday. So how exactly we will change the start day of the week? Right click on the data connection, go to the date properties. See here, you can able to select the week start date. Okay, Thursday. Click on the OK. See here, this is the way we will change the start day of the week. Might be you will get the one question here. In the date property itself, you can able to see the financial year start month, right? So here also you can able to change. Why we have changed the only order date? So if I change the start month of the year on top of the order date, it will applicable only for the particular date field. Okay. If I change the start month in the date connection property, so data connection property, it will applicable for entire data fields. Okay, so in my data connection there are the two fields are there, ship date is there, order date is there, but I have changed the start month only for the order date. If I want to change for the entire data connection, I will change here. Okay, financial start month. Okay, clear? That is the difference between the for the individual field for the entire data. Clear, right?
Clear.
The next one is how to save the data connection. Okay, so if you want to save the data model, you can able to save it. Right click on that, click on the add to save data source. See, there are the two types of extensions we have, .tds and .tdsx. So you can able to save your data connections, okay, in your local machine. You can able to share it with the colleagues or your anything. You can able to use in whenever you want. Okay, so that is the use of the data source. Any questions on the data connection properties?
No, we are good.
Okay, so the next one is calculated fields. See, basically there are the two types of fields are available, like a default fields, and second one is the calculated fields. So calculated field is nothing but it is a custom field. Okay, manually we have to create on top of the existing field with the help of some functions. So direct field in the sense we are getting the some fields
So
right from the data source. Okay, so those are all the calculated fields. Sorry, default fields. So 1 minute. It is a custom field. Okay, so with the help of some functions, we can able to create the calculated field. So the first one is, so basically there are the 8 functions category we have. Okay, there are 8 types of categories. First one is string functions. Second one is number based functions. Third one is logical functions. And fourth one is abbreviation functions. Fifth one is type conversion functions. Okay, sixth one is calculation functions. The seventh one is date functions. And the eighth one is user based functions. So we have a 8 category functions, and each and every category have a different functions are there. So we will discuss so each and every function and detailed information. Okay. So in the tomorrow session we will continue on that. So Karima also will join. Okay. So we will start on the tomorrow class. Okay, Rajesh.
okay.
Okay. So so far, do you have any questions, Rajesh?
No, nothing in today's session.
Okay. Okay. So
So
tomorrow we will continue on the calculated base. Okay.
can I request something like from my end? Like it would be great even if you can speed up the session, like so we can able to finish the things sooner than later. Right?
Hello, Rajesh. Can you repeat that question?
So one request from my end is even if you can speed up the sessions, so
Okay.
that would be we can complete the session sooner than later, and so it would be one request from my end is even if we can take the session until the 9 a.m. and even if we can cover more syllabus, in next coming sessions. At least it will be easy for both of us to get the complete the session in sooner time than actual the
Yes,
planned
yes,
one.
yes.
Okay.
See, in the initial level, okay, at initial level, okay, we have to go with the like topic based topic. Okay, so we completed the data connection properties, right? So tomorrow, so for example, if I start the calculated field today itself, okay, so maybe you will get the some confusion. So tomorrow, up to tomorrow, you have to practice the 11 points. Okay, so if you have any doubts or something, so tomorrow session we will discuss on the 11 points. So tomorrow onwards we will continue on the like a functions. So you have to understand each and every important points, like at least basic points. So when we are entering into the like a chart creation or something, so then we will speed up. Okay, these are all the basic important point, Rajesh.
Okay.
Okay, in the chart creation, yes, we will speed up. Okay, so if you know the basic, if you know the functions, if you know the calculate fields, so the chart creation is not that much I mean the difficult part. Okay, it is very easy. Okay,
Yeah, I
we will
understand.
speed
Only
up.
the request, yeah, only the request from my end is like even if you are taking around 30 or for 35 minutes of the session every day, and even we are also joining late, even for me as well. So even sometimes even also I am also joining a bit late, and Karim also joining a bit late.
No,
So
no, daily we will start 8:05. Okay, we will start. We will join the 8. We will wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow onwards we will start 8:05. Okay, we won't wait 8 or something.
And yeah, we will finish by 9.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Bye.